How to delete a business profile from Facebook Business Manager. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Safari browser on your phone. Then go to business.facebook.com. Make sure to log in into your Facebook business profile. Once you're here, go to the left panel and tap on Settings at the bottom. Here tap on your page name. Then, tap on Page Settings in the Page Access section. You will then be taken to the Settings and Privacy page. Scroll down to the Your Information section. Go to Access and Control. Here, select Delete Page. Then, tap on Confirm. From here, select a reason why you're deleting your page. After that, tap on Continue. Here, tap on Continue again. Now, scroll down to the end and tap on Delete Account. Confirm your page deletion by entering your Facebook password over here. Once you delete this page, you won't be able to retrieve the content or information that this page has shared on Facebook. Following these steps, you can easily delete a business profile from Facebook Business Manager.